my hands, I have the invitation to the banquets of delight. It reads, RSVP to the universe. Will you come? Yes, I say, I am definitely coming, and I am not waiting anymore. So I take it, I sit in my seat, and I receive my banquet. I bring my own delicious, nutritious dish, and I set it on the table. I set it on the table, right? I set it on the table. I exchange the chain that holds me and keeps my gifts under the table for love, for those who need the gifts I have been given. Chain hides, dwindles, isolates, and contracts. Love shares, grows, expands, and connects. I exchange insufficiency for gratitude in the gifts that I have been given. I release humble humility. That makes me small. I embrace Peack humility, proudly presenting the gifts I have been given, knowing that I am a drop of divinity, and through me, the divine nourishes humanity and grows the universe. I exchange doubts in the worth of my offer for delight in receiving and sharing it. I allow my delight to be my greatest gift to others, releasing guilt, doubt, and insufficiency to enjoy my own radiance and unleash its brilliance. That feels so good! I am the entry. I am the goblet of wine. I am the dessert. Yes, I bring my offer to the table where the universe gathers us to nourish us with each